Namaste. I am Vikram Agarwal, Shri Balaji Trading Company, Pune. I am associated with the company Zuari Cement from last 3 years. The year we started the business, as we started growing, the very next year the pandemic started. Even in the pandemic, the situation was very worst. Company supported a lot, not in the terms of profit. They used to give us time to time guidance. Mr. Cooper, MD of the company, used to call us for our well-being, for our family, ourselves, and used to give us time to time business guidance. And Mr. VVL sir, the president marketing, used to also call us for our well-being and give to time guidance for the business and to take care of our outstanding in the market. In this lockdown, Mr. Sarat sir given a lot of motivation for the business. We lost our hope that what will happen in this pandemic, but he motivated a lot. Even in this pandemic, company apart from the profit, they take care of the profit. When the market was started, they took care of the profit, and they done some social cause also. The name Annam, to provide food to the needy people, to have the at least 2 time meal they can have in this situation. In terms of business, company's more focus is on PPC. As PPC supports the environment, and MD, Mr. Cooper sir, he is more focused on environment, and he asks the dealers to plant neem trees. It protects from the environment, the pollution. It's a very good thinking. And after that, when the market started, everything, we came back to track. Again, second lockdown, second wave. Even in this market, our new ROM head, Amar sir, he also motivated and supported a lot to take care of our profits, and he used to call us day to day, means twice in a day, to ask for our family well-being, our business, everything. This company is more like a family than a company. Their policies are very transparent, they are crystal clear, means we don't have any doubts. Whatever it is told, we get it. We don't have any doubt whether we will the discount, every accounts, every aspect, the company is very clear. I thanks the management of the company for their policies, the logistic department, the customer service. They are supportive for the dealer every hour of the day. They never deny for any of our help. Whenever we require any hour of the day we require the help, they never deny it. I will ask all the cement dealers to be associated with Zuari Cement, such a good company.